Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by importing the clean audio into Blender's video sequencer or action editor. Make sure it's trimmed and normalized so peaks don't clip. Create or confirm a facial rig that includes clear phoneme shape keys or bones, A, O, E, M, L, and so on, because accurate targets speed the process. Once done, set scene FPS to match the audio and enable auto key or prepare drivers. This lets you record mouth poses directly on the timeline and avoid later retiming. You now block phonemes onto the timeline using the waveform as a visual guide. Scrub and add markers at consonant and vowel hits because precise timing beats guessing. At each marker, set a clear key pose for the matching shape key or bone. Keep it rough. You're mapping intent, not perfect motion. Once blocked, open the dope sheet and refine in small passes using pose libraries or incremental shape key sliders to speed reproduction. Make sure to check transitions between poses to avoid popping. You finish by polishing curves and testing playback at full speed. Use the graph editor to add easing and subtle overlap so the mouth moves naturally. Pay attention to the rhythm. Make sure vowels hold slightly longer and consonant snaps align with waveform transients. This is why overlap matters. If lips drift or audio jumps, first relock the audio strip and rebake drivers, then check scene FPS and retime keys. That single troubleshooting step fixes most sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.